Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay not working hold near reader in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Apple Pay is not working and you're getting a display message that you have to hold near the reader, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So it might be a network issue, so you can fix this by refreshing your network connection. So not do that, you have to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your settings here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that go back, go for software update, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending software updates for your iPhone. If you find anyone try to update your software, then go back. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset your network settings if there will be any network issue. It will be fixed in this step. And after doing that, you just have to go back. Then if you're still facing the same issue, open screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back, go for wallet and Apple Pay, and you have to enable this for all your Apple Cash, also for your Visa and other services. And once you have enabled, your issue will be fixed. You have to retry for a retry to hold in the reader, and your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to contact with Apple Support team member. Or now to do that, you have to open your Apple Support team, or you can also use your applesport.com web. Then select your iPhone from here, then select subscriptions and purchases. Select any option uh, relating to your problem. For example, I'm going to select unable to purchase, and then select the option of get more help. Select call us. Now you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. After that, it should be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.